And this is the finished look. So for the lip color, I use this palette right here to create this lip. But if you guys have any like a hot pink or like a light baby pink, you guys can use this. And I kind of did a little bit like a purple, like a ombre lip, just kind of like go from purple, pink, and then like I put a white color in the center to just kind of create that like a nice ombre color. You guys can do it more glossy if you guys would like to, but this one I think it looks pretty good already. Actually, my husband the one who chose this, and not so bad. I actually digging it. I think it looks pretty good, and it's actually complement the look pretty good. And for the lashes, I did use from the Lash Lab. This one I talk about on my other video as well, and I also have a discount, and I forgot to let you guys know, but my discount is Luxme Lashes. I'm gonna leave it down below. You guys can use my code for 25% off. And the style I'm wearing right now is the short collar. So like this really beautiful, this thing is like super remind me of the Lily Lashes, the style of Miami. If you guys like the Miami, but then it's kind of expensive because it's $30, and this one you can get it for only like a couple dollars. And plus on top of that, you guys can use my code to just get even more cheaper, which is like very good. And for the highlighter, I use the Natasha Denona Super Glow in the shade I think it's 02 light medium. So this one right here, very pretty. It's like so beaming. Anyway, but then yes, so next, the palette that I used today is the color Raine Vivid Pigment and Eyeshadows. This one right here, very pretty, you guys. This palette is like very good. The first time I tried this, I kind of don't like it. The pigmentation of this, it's swatched very nice. It's kind of a lot of fall, though, I'm not gonna lie, because some of them is like a pressed pigment. So then when you use them, you need to kind of like pack them first. You can't just not go in and blend, which you guys will see on the video. So basically you guys have to pack the color first and you guys need to blend it with. So this palette is retail at $55, which is pretty expensive. I mean, compare from, you know, other palette, but I feel like nowadays with the palette they're coming out with more colorful, I just kind of a little bit more expensive and the price is a little bit up there. But this one right here, I do really like them. Like this green right here swatch really bad, but when you actually use it on the eyes, it's actually look very nice and so spot on. And so like other colors as well. I already did use all this color. I've been playing around with it a lot. If you guys didn't know, I have my Instagram and I usually post like a daily like a makeup look on there, so you guys should really check it out. I use this palette to create, I think it's like 3 or 4 different makeup look, and it turned out to be really good. And the first time I tried this palette, I think I used the base pillowies, but I feel like for this kind of eyeshadow, when the base is a little too thick and kind of like a tacky and wet, it's kind of hard to perform with. But then if you use like something like Urban Decay Primer Potion, if you use something like this one or the MAC Paint Pot, I feel like the color actually shows so much better. Like today I used the this one right here, and it actually performed so much better than actually when I was using the MAC Paint Pot. I really love it. I think the color very nice. You get a lot of pigment, and then it's just like so pretty. Something about this eyeshadow palette, the first time I used it I don't like it. The more I use it, the more I start to like them, and then now I just kind of be tending to grab this a lot. So I really do like it. And for this makeup look, I actually got really inspired by one of the picture I found on Instagram. Let me just shout out to them so I don't, you know, so people don't think I stole the credit, you know, to not tag them or to not shout out to the person. So sorry if I'm misspelling her name or her Instagram name. So this is her right here, very pretty. So I got inspired by this look right here that she have on her Instagram. She also have like a really like a nice tutorial on this one as well, but we using a different eyeshadow palette. But when I saw this makeup look that she did, and then I thought it was very nice. But on the video she made her lips a bit more nude and really light, but mine just a little bit more like a really bright pink, because like I said, that guy don't wanted it. But yeah, so yes, I really do love this palette. So anyway, I love this eyeshadow palette. It's kind of hard to get used to it at first when you use this one, but then the more you just gotta train and try to use it and try to get used to this. Because if you use this the first time, I feel like it might be a little complicated, because like I said, it's not like your typical regular like eyeshadow, but this is more like a pressed pigment, so there's a little bit different in the texture and the way you blend them. But yes, you guys just gotta get used to this, and this palette is very beautiful. And yes, I love this so much. And yes, I really hope you guys love this makeup look as well. And if you guys do, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.